Okay, so good morning, DA. So this is for the laboratory activity. This is only an example how we're going to start and put a data on our tables or create a database. So first thing you need to do is go to Start button, go and find Microsoft Office and Microsoft Access 2007. I'm using 2007. And then click blank. Now we name this as stu student underscore db, then click this folder and go to desktop. Try to find, okay, so we're going to save it 2007. The extension file name will be .acctb, while we're going to use 2002 2003 format, it will be .mdb. So let us try to create. Okay, then create. As you can see here with the file extension .mdb, then create. No? So to add a field name on our table, just right click this table and click design view. And we name it as student underscore list and then okay. So as you can see, we have a default ID which is autonom and a primary key. There is a purpose why we're going to use a primary key. We're going to discuss this as we go along with the subject. So I'm going to write, add word student underscore ID. So you're not allowed to use asterisk or special any special characters. Ito lang yung tinatanggap niya. Now, save lang natin siya as autonom. We have different data types. We have text, memo, number, date, currency, auto number, yes or no, only object, hyperlink, and lookup result. So, as of now, we're going to use first autonom and text, and then only object. So, what are the attributes that can describe? And student is the entity, yung pinag-uusapan. Tapos, paano natin pag-uusapan yung students? That's attribute, para maintindihan nyo lang, So, we're going to write here a last name that is for text lang yung data type. And we have first name, text lang din. And then, middle underscore, we have middle initial, initial. And then text. Then, we have student and student underscore, we have pick here, and we're going to assign database as only object because we're going to put a pictures on it. So we're going to save this, and make sure that you save it first. Right click your mouse and save, then close. Double click para makapag-add tayo. Example, we have Santos Maria B, So student, right click, then insert object. We can use create from file if you have already this, but if you are going to start from the scratch, just click create new, then bitmap para maliit lang po siya, Then the pane will be pop up, Example, we're going to draw here a smiley face lang as serve as our image lang. Example lang po. Pero pag meron na kayong image, pwede namang i-click niya, So, like this, then enter, then click again this one para mag-create siya ng smiley. Then, click paint bucket, and there you go. Go to right, then save copy as BMP lang, So, desktop, lagay ko na lang siya as pick 3 kasi as you can see here, I have already pick 1 and 2, prepared. As you can see, we have type as bitmap, then save, then close it. Okay, so we're going to get, halimbawa, we have the other student. We have Francisco, John I, And then we're going to get na the image that I have there already. So, wait a minute. So, we have their insert object. So, what we're going to do is create from file. Then, this one, on our desktop, we have pick. I'm going to select pick 2. And then, okay. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa ganito yon, it should be a bitmap. So, let us try to save this and close. As you can see, when you're going to double click, you cannot see the image here. Where we're going to see that? We're going to go to create, then click form design. As you can see here, we have add existing field and property sheets. So, add existing field para makita natin yung content ng table. So what we're going to do, just press control and click. Sorry. We're going to drag this one. Click lang natin, left click si mouse, then press natin si control dun sa keyboard, then drag lang natin po ito. Ayan, na-double ko yung student. So we can adjust this one, no? Kung saan natin siya pwedeng ilagay, you can put it here. So this is only a sample in order for you to know how you're going to start your simple database, no? So actually, we can consider it as a database yet because we have only one table and one form. So we're going to save this as right-click again and then save. It will ask for the name. So lagay lang natin that is, we're going to write this as student underscore form. And then okay. So let us try to look at our form. As you can see here, we have also already our image. Yan. So as you can see, di nakikita natin yung isang pic, no? That is the difference using the BMP and the other format. So let's go back with our table. So let us close this one form first. Then design view, go back, double click, then go back here. We're going to create insert object. At this time, we're going to create click object type, which is bitmap. Ayun. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya uh, nag-appear, right? So, we're going to change that. Again, we're going to save this as BMP, not PNG, not JPEG, no? So, hindi natin po makikita. So, let us try to write pic4 and save this and close this one and save this again and go back to your form. So, let us try to look at this. This is a record navigation. As you can see, there you go. We have already that image, no? So, to make it big, so right-click lang, design. No? You can adjust this. You can adjust the font, property sheets, and sorry, we are going to click the form, and then you can resize, no? You can resize this by clicking the text or font size here into 18. Ayan. So, sobrang laki naman yun. So, later na natin, mga 14. So, you can adjust, no? Ayan lang. So, titignan lang natin. This is only a sample. Pero, pag nagawa na tayo, syempre, aayusin na po natin yung form. So, that's it for today. That is how you're going to start to open the Microsoft Access, create a table and a form at the same time, and having a field name, which is the student ID, last name, first name, middle initial, and student pick. So, thank you. And